A very good evening and namaskar. It is my honor and privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, CMA DC Bajaj sir, former president of our institute, our icon of our institute also. Heartiest welcome, sir. I am happy to welcome our leader, CMA Ashwiniji Dalwadi sir, President of the Institute. On the dais, my colleague Anandji, that PD Chairman, very energetic, key persons in this council. I welcome my colleague in councils, all former presidents, regional council members, chapter members, other dignitaries, very senior, iconic persons from industry, members, some students also here. I am welcoming them. Sponsor, I will not forget sponsors, press media, delegate, ladies and gentlemen. We are having the inspiring theme of Viksit Bharat 2047, synergizing catalyst for Sankalp to Siddhi. It is the right time to participate in the nation building, choosing this theme. I am extending my heartfelt thanks to my President, Dalwadi ji. Our gathering here today is a testament to our commitment. What is that commitment? That is Sankalp to Siddhi. In between, we'll have to take sadhana. Sankalp, that commitment, promise, is not sufficient. We will have to take long effort for sadhana to achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat 2047. 2047, that is coinciding the centenary of our nation's independence. Again, another justification I am giving, if we are recalling Niti Aayog document, which is finalized, approved by President and Government of India, we found there 4 important factors, like that indicators, benchmark, area, social progress. Many persons they are speaking economic growth. Yes, economic growth is there. The social progress, that means all will be happy. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Environmental sustainability, another factor. And most important, good governance. Keeping these points in view, this is the right time and right forum also. In Niti Aayog document also it is given this responsibility to many authorities, many levels, many persons. They are also professionals. Government is having trust on professionals like us. As cost and management accountant, our role is very pivotal in steering this vision through meticulous planning, strategic decision making, efficient management of resources, and finally restoring good governance with full integrity, which our profession is doing now. You can verify this if you are taking statistics pan-India basis in government sectors, central PSU or state PSU, our visibility is there more than 80% CMA, and their performance is very, very outstanding. The journey from Sankalp to Siddhi is not a solitary endeavor, but it is a collective one. It requires synergy altogether. Catalyst, what government is expecting, policy makers, industry leaders, academicians, professionals, and most stress in that Niti Aayog document, it is given to young mass of India. During or over the next 2 days, we'll delve into in-depth discussion and insightful presentation that will cover a wide array of topics. We are fortunate today with us having array of distinguished speakers and industry leaders who will share their expertise and vision. Their insight will guide us in understanding the challenges and opportunities in ahead. As cost and management accountant, we can drive the change needed to achieve our goals, participating in nation building. This convention is more than just one gathering. It is just beginning. Here we are gathering only to create synergy. It is a platform for collaboration and innovation. Finally, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our distinguished guests, speakers, participants. Sir, Madam, ladies and gentlemen, your presence and participation are vital for success of this convention. Once again, welcome to all, and I look forward this convention filled with insightful discussions, meaningful outcomes, challenges and solutions, and fruitful outcome. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.